Tesla is presently enabling proprietors of its vehicles to get to their auto's event data recorder, EDR, normally known as the black box of automobiles, through an arrangement of authorized devices and programming. As confirmed by Tesla on its official help page for its EDR client control, the greater part of the organization's vehicles put something aside for the first Roadster are furnished with an event data recorder. The account gadgets are just initiated once the vehicle detects a non-paltry physical event in the vehicle. In this manner, amid typical driving conditions, the EDR is deactivated. If information logs from the EDR should be gotten to, be that as it may, Tesla's new arrangement of exclusive instruments and programming can recover information from the vehicle's black box. The accompanying equipment is required to access the information to the Model S, X, and 3's EDR. A Windows PC, Mac OSX and Linux are not bolstered. A PCAN-USB, which is a USB to CAN connector produced by Peak System. The fitting Tesla Model S, X, or 3 link from the EDR Retrieval Hardware Kit. On the product front, Tesla proprietors are required to have the important gadget drivers for the PCAN-USB connectors and Tesla's EDR Retrieval program, which could be downloaded here for nothing. Utilizing Tesla's product, proprietors can create a PDF report sketching out the discoveries from their electric auto's information recorder. As substantiated by the NHTSA, information from EDRs ordinarily incorporate readings on the vehicle's speed, and also contributions from its quickening agent, brakes, and controlling. The status of the auto's ABS action, security control, and whether the driver was wearing a safety belt are typically part of EDR readings also. While the product expected to get to the information is free, Tesla requires Model S, X, and 3 proprietors to buy the EDR Hardware Retrieval Kit from Crash Data Group to access their EDR's substance. The equipment unit is valued at $995, however pre-orders for the hardware are accessible for $795. The EDR pack is good with in-vehicle recoveries and direct-to-module recoveries. One thing of note is that the EDR information that Tesla is enabling its clients to access through its equipment unit and programming isn't similar information that the organization utilizes while referring to autopilot sign previously. As supported by computerized reasoning engineer Dr. Spare B. Elliott in an AI Trends report, the information that Tesla referred to amid the examination of the lethal Model S crash in 2016 really originated from the electric auto's electronic control unit, ECU, not its EDR. As the NTSB discovered amid its examination, Tesla is very defensive of its ECU information, with the data being recorded in an exclusive arrangement that must be gotten to and perused by the California-based firm. As we noted in a past report, Tesla is consistently enhancing the security highlights of its vehicles. Just as of late, a noteworthy crash including a Model 3 incited a speedy reaction from Tesla CEO Elon Musk, who reported changes for the mass-market electric auto's glove box and focus touchscreen.